Simple Freedom Warrior Setup, how to start, earn $250 plus starting at just $7. Get set up and start earning even at entry level. Stop struggling with complicated systems. Get set up fast and start making real commissions. What if I told you that even at the $7 entry level, you still earn 50% commissions on every sale and even $250 or more when someone upgrades, even if you haven't ranked up yet? Instant commissions paid directly to you. 50% commissions no matter what your rank is. A DFY setup process that makes launching your business effortless. This Simple Freedom Warrior is a system that gets you earning fast with the simplest setup possible. Smash that like button and stay locked in. This is about to change everything. Now, I've been in affiliate marketing for 12 or 13 years now, and I know that most marketers fail even before they get started. Not because the opportunity isn't legit, but because the setup process is too confusing. Endless tech headaches, funnels, autoresponders, integration, complicated systems that require a deep learning curve, getting stuck before even launching, so they never see results. I've been there. I understand. But see, this is why I was already looking for a system and a mentor. But as soon as my wife got hurt and hit by a car, everything changed. See, now it wasn't just a want, it was a need. On November 20th, my wife Felicia was hit by a car right in front of me. The car was moving more than 45 miles an hour. Now, this is written from my son's point of view. Okay. She has a fractured neck, broken femur, subdermal hematoma, multiple surgeries, and has gone through months of rehab, relearning basic motor functions that the rest of us take for granted. I knew I needed a real solution fast because my bills were going to be more than I was actually making every month by my job. That's when I found Simple Freedom Warriors, the system that finally gave me the financial freedom I've been chasing for years. In it, I not only learned how to get multiple streams of income, but I got the mentor that I've always been looking for. This isn't just about making money. It's about securing a future for my family and ensuring we never have to worry again. Can you relate to that? Do you have somebody you care about or a goal that you have in mind? Well, are you ever going to be able to get that goal with your 9 to 5? I hope so, but most of us are struggling to make ends meet with what we make now. Now, can you imagine working until 65, 70, 75 and retiring on 40% of what isn't enough right now? Smash that like button if you know the struggle. Let's talk about setting up your business. Now, we include step-by-step instructions on how to get your business live within minutes. Okay, so Freedom Warriors is built for speed, to set up in minutes, not days. You can actually be making your first video, and once it publishes, you can actually check the ranks and it will be ranking. Okay, that's how we teach, not just you, but everybody else that you plug into the system. Now, here's exactly how you get started. Create your account and lock in for $7. Okay, let me go over here so I can show you the levels. Okay, $7. And that's the build phase. Okay, that's where you start here unless you want to go to a higher level. Okay, but this is what you start with and then upgrade as you go out of profit. Okay, lock it for $7 and start earning 50% commissions immediately. Now, it doesn't matter what they are in, whether in the DFY Vault, the back office, the build phase, the inner circle, the elite marker, the traffic Rolodex, the duplication formula, etc. You get paid 50% commissions no matter what. Plug in the DFY system, pre-built marketing materials, funnels, and autoresponders. No tech skills needed. Okay, we have a way to set you up with for beginners who do not have their branded funnel set up yet, nor their tools or the money to get the tools set up. Okay, we'll teach you how to leverage free traffic strategies, YouTube rankings, organic leads, and passive duplication built in. Teach you how to do this. Okay, scale using house money. Earnings fund your upgrades. No personal spending required. Watch duplication work for you. Referrals follow the same process, building massive passive commissions and instant commissions. We pay instantly 50%. Nobody's holding up your money. It doesn't go anyone but you in the way you prefer. Okay, this is hands down the simplest affiliate system. Smash that like and comment if you're ready to launch. Now, I'm going to show you real YouTube rankings. Okay, so as you can see, I am not signed in. and I'm going to look for affiliate mentor Greg Chambers. Okay, I'm only going to name the videos that are ours. You see how it says sponsored? That means it's an ad. Okay, so the number 1 and 2 is from me, videos. Okay, there's another ad. The number 3 is from me. The number 4 is Postcard Lifestyle, another member of ours. I'm only going to tell you our members. Okay, affiliate mentor review by me. Make my affiliate mentor cost, my honest review by me. Make money on with JJ. And again, my video, make money on with JJ. So far, all but this one is our videos, okay? For our team. Here's another one, Postcard Lifestyle. Here's another one, make money on with JJ. Notice this is Greg Chambers. The name of the video is Compensation Plan. How does that happen? It's like, can you imagine playing Monopoly and you get Boardwalk and Park Place and they give you all the railroads for free, or and they give the electric company when you get, Baltic, etc. So the more you put videos you put out, the more other terms you're ranking for. Okay, just all you gotta do is follow the process and stay consistent. Can you really? Another one by me. Can you really have 500 a day with a simple system? Again, nothing with Greg Chambers. Okay. Team bonuses, best bonuses ever. Another one by me, another one by me, another one by Postcard Lifestyle, another one by Postcard Lifestyle. Make money on with JJ. Make Postcard Lifestyle. Are you getting the picture? That was Greg Chambers, so now we're going to try Traffic Authority, okay? As you can see, I'm still not signed in. And it's not. So I'm going to search for Traffic Authority. Give me a second. Okay, exit drawing. That's probably why it's not working, okay? Alright. Here's the first videos by Postcard Lifestyle. Second videos by me, okay? Third videos by me. Fourth videos by Postcard Lifestyle. So far, and then we have 3 of the top shorts, okay? We still ranked for every first, second, and third. And and 5th, and 6th, and 7th, and 8th, 10th, okay? Another one. Another short, another one. You can't make this up. This is logged in looking for Traffic Authority, okay? Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle, make money on with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle, make money on with JJ. And as you can see, this is a video is playing in the background, see? Here's another Postcard Lifestyle. Here's another make money on with JJ. Another team member, right? Postcard Lifestyle. Make money on with JJ. This is us. This is me. This is me. And this is Affiliate Mentor Review. Again, it doesn't have Traffic Authority in there. Postcard Lifestyle. Make money on with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle. We are dominating YouTube. You could do the same for any keywords you want. We'll teach you how to do it, okay? Now I've shown you proof that Simple Free to Warriors is ranking on YouTube. High traffic keywords, organic leads for phone in. We have the best team. We have the best system. We'll help you the most. Jump inside the back office, step-by-step training. That's not what I was looking for. Okay, we'll try again. There we go. Okay. So as you can see, this is not a cookie cutter system. This is how to set up your accounts, social media accounts to make money, okay? Step-by-step training, career compensation breakdown. You get paid 50% no matter what level they join at, okay? Your downline follows the exact same path, ensuring duplication at scale. This system isn't just making money, it's dominating YouTube and driving conversions effortlessly. Smash that like button if you love transparency. Let's keep going. Think of this like a casino. Start small, scale using winnings like the pro gamblers. Invest $7, zero risk, earn commissions immediately, use your profits to level up. Now, why would you level up? Well, why wouldn't you? If this is working, right, for $7, why wouldn't you learn how to do these elite things like buy the right traffic, okay? Get how to set up your blog fast. Leader interviews, elite Bitcoin mastery. Learn how to buy and trade your Bitcoin, and you make money without getting people on your team. Okay, like we have so much value. And we're teaching you more ways to sell your $7 program, okay, and make more money when other people upgrade. And let's say somebody comes in at team duplication formula, right? Well, that's $3,000. Guess what? You get $1,500 even if you're at the $7 level. This is how smart marketers scale without spending their own money. Smash it like buddy if the strategy makes sense. This is next level stuff, guys. Get set up and start earning now. Stop struggling with tech. Stop wasting time setting things up manually. Not your simple freedom warriors setup. Set it up now and start earning. We have a way to earn no matter, even if you don't have money for tools, okay? This is how to potentially get your first SFW in 24 hours or less. Welcome to affiliate. Here's the fastest way to start getting paid and move your way up. We want you to help you make money before you start spending money. Sound fair? Follow steps below exactly to the letter and you might get your first 2 sales to break even. We cannot guarantee results, okay? Click the first link in the description. Join now. Text me at 775-460-7938. And let's build your empire today. So let's recap. You start at $7. There's no risk, only massive upside. Can you buy even a cappuccino for $7? You can't buy a combo meal usually. You earn 50% commissions at every level you qualify for. Sorry, no matter what level you're at, you still earn 50% commissions. So if somebody comes at $1,800, okay, somebody buys, okay, Inner Circle, for example. Or for $100, you make $50, right? If somebody buys Elite Marketer, $600, you make $300, okay? This system is built for long-term success. No ad spend, no guesswork. You scale effortlessly with built-in duplication. This is Simple Freedom Warrior setup. How to earn $250 plus starting just $7. Crazy, right? This is John Solid, aka JJ Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.